The queue at this barracks on the edge of Mogadishu stretched well down the main road by midday. Some were proving a little too enthusiastic to get to the front line and had to be restrained by army officers. And there were plenty anxious to inform us why they were joining.
I'm a volunteer. I like to fight in order to liberate my country.
But what can you do? I mean, do you know how to fire a gun?
I will take my gun and go now to the front, unless I will liberate my country.
And what about the rest of the people?
Amid the noise, actually registering your name for service wasn't easy. Inside the barracks, a program for some 5,000 men and women was already underway. The only heavy weaponry upon which training was taking place was this elderly Russian anti-aircraft gun. A high percentage of women have signed on in the past few days, and there is little doubt that the Somali president's appeal for volunteers has touched off an emotional, if somewhat impractical, response.